Hello everyone, Namaskar. Today in this video lesson we are going to learn about yes or no questions. Yes, we are going to revise yes or no questions in your worksheets. So please open page number 8 in your grammar worksheet and let's get started with our explanation portion. So what do you mean by yes or no questions? Yes or no questions means whenever we are asking question, the answer would be either in yes or either in no. Let us see. The verb to be has three forms in the present: am, is and are. The verb to be has three forms in present. See in the table they have three forms: is, am and are. The verb to be has two forms in the past. Past में दो ही फॉर्म होते हैं. कौन कौन से? was और were. ये हमने इसके पहले वाली क्लास में भी पढ़ा था. दैट आई के साथ वी यूज एम फॉर प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, आई के साथ वी यूज वॉज फॉर पास्ट फॉर्म. देन ही शी इट के साथ वी यूज इज इन प्रेजेंट फॉर्म एंड ही शी इट के साथ वी यूज वॉज इन पास्ट फॉर्म. ऑलराइट, नाउ कम टू द लास्ट फॉर्म, दैट इज यू, वी, यू, दे. वी यूज आर इन प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, वी यूज वर इन पास्ट फॉर्म. Now let's see the rules of making questions. We have to make the question in such a manner that the answer should be either in yes or in no. So let's see how to make questions. When we are making a yes or no question, we put the verb be at the beginning of the sentence. इसका मतलब है हमको verb be को beginning of the sentence में रखना है. So let's see the example. He is from England. So the yes or no question would be, we have to put verb be at the first, that means in subject place. So it will become, is he from England? Question mark. And the answer would be either in yes or in no. Now let's see short long answer form. How to make a short or long answer form. Question and answer. Am I sympathetic? Yes. Yes, you are. Yes, you are sympathetic. It means either the answer would be in yes or the answer would be yes, you are, or the answer can be yes, you are sympathetic. All the answers are acceptables. Now, is she coming? No. No, she isn't. No, she isn't coming. Likewise, we have to make the answers of the questions. Now turn the page, come to exercise portion. Open page number 9. Grammar worksheet, past simple questions, word orders. Write the words below in the correct order. They have given us jumble up sentence questions and we have to make it in a correct manner. Then ask the questions to your classmate. Okay, so let's get started with the exercise portion. The first example they had given us is, night you watched TV last. It's a jumble up sentence. Now we have to make it in a correct manner. Did you watch TV last night? Question mark. Now let's see the second one and try to make it a proper question. Did you weekend last what? Always remember the word which is written in bold and which is capital, we have to write it down at first. That means in subject place. So we will write what, then did. What did you do last weekend? What did you do last weekend? आपने last weekend में क्या किया? Then we will put a question mark. Now come to the next one. You get up this what time morning did? Let's make the answer of this question. And the answer would be, what time did you get up this morning? Question mark. आप कितने बजे आज की morning में उठे हो? Here the question is, you get up this what time morning did? What time did you get up this morning? Question mark. Now come to fourth one. night when you go to sleep did last. So we will write when did you go to sleep last night? Question mark. Now come to fifth one. Holiday travel you on did you last? So we will write did first. Then we will write did you travel on your last holiday? Dear kids, what you can do is, if you are confusing and making questions, जो वर्ड्स आपके होते जा रहे हैं आप उनको कट करते जाओ. Then you start writing the next words. Alright, let's see the sixth one. Arrived for late class who today? We will write who arrived late for क्लास टुडे. कौन लेट आया आज क्लास में? हु अराइव्ड लेट फॉर क्लास टुडे. ऑलराइट, देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, 8, 9 and 10 are your homework. You have to practice this question at your home. Write it down the answers and we are going to discuss the answers tomorrow. Alright, now till then, bye and thank you.